What was that? Krispy Kreme made some s'more donuts? Well, then we've got to try that. Well, hello, welcome back to the S'mores and Dinosaurs YouTube channel, where we make awesome s'more creations and talk about dinosaurs and other prehistoric life. Hey, today, instead of making a s'more, we are doing something special. We are trying out these magnificent donut creations in front of us. Krispy Kreme, in honor of National S'more Day, created two different s'more donuts. And what's special about these is they both incorporate Hershey's chocolate into them, which is, of course, I would almost say like the gold standard in regards to the chocolate of a traditional s'more. So we have two different donuts here today. We have a cake donut that's got like a marshmallow topping with chocolate swirls, a little graham cracker, like a dusting of graham cracker, and some little chocolate chips in there. And then we have a some sort of cream-filled donut. I'm not exactly sure. But on top of that is a Hershey chocolate cover with a marshmallow swirl, a dusting of graham crackers, and then just a swizzle, a saison, a sousson, a suisson, a suissi, sousson. I don't actually speak French. A saison, a seance, not a seance. A swirl, a ribbon of additional Hershey's chocolate on top of that. So let's try it. We've got our donuts here. Of course, every donut needs some glass of milk, and I'm already speaking fake French, so I've got it in a nice wine glass. Now, let's try these out. I'm gonna start with the cake donut. Ooh, that looks good. I'm gonna cut into that. And I'm not gonna, when I go to Krispy Kreme, I usually get their traditional donuts. I don't normally get the cake donuts, so this will be unique to, whoa! Boy, the marshmallow, it's very lovely. A wonderful fragrance of cake and chocolate and s'moreness. I mean, you're not going to go wrong with Krispy Kreme anytime. But the cake donut is very cakey. It's actually interesting, the chocolate chips. Normally when we think of s'mores, we always think of that crunch to it, and as an important element of the s'more. And normally we get that crunch from the graham cracker, but in this particular case, we get the texture of the graham cracker from the donut, the cake donut here, but we get the crunch actually from the mini chocolate chips on this. So that's not bad. I don't think I had I'm gonna try one more bite of this so I can make sure I get that graham cracker dusting in there. Ooh. Ooh. Very lovely. That graham cracker dusting adds just the right amount in there. Cleanse the palate with the milk. All right, now we're gonna try the cream-filled donut. And this feels so weird to use a knife, but I feel like I have to use a knife on this because it's food. Oh, cool. I mean, that's what I would assume. Okay, let me bring this in a little bit closer so you can see a dissection. So, as you can see, if I can get it in like, there we go. The inside is not like a Boston cream. That is a very nice marshmallow cream in there, which I mean, I would expect nothing less than a marshmallow cream for it. So very good Good job, Krispy Kreme. Good job. All right, so let's try this out. Very good. I will say I bought these yesterday, so they're like a day old, but still excellent. I mean, is anyone out there going to complain about a day old donut? Let me see your hands. Oh wow. Okay, wait. 1, 2. 3. Ah, that's not really. You're not really raising your hand, aren't you? No. Gee, a day old Krispy Kreme donut? Yeah, no. Most of you aren't going to complain about a day old Krispy Kreme donut. So yeah, this is really good. I actually think I prefer the cake donut. The cream filled one, the marshmallow one is good. I certainly wouldn't complain about the marshmallow one. You got it's the Hershey chocolate on the topping of it is really kind of thick, and I don't know if it's because it's a day old that's a little chewy, or like a little bit more condensed, a little bit chewier, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But actually, what this reminisces to me a little bit more, the marshmallow-filled s'more donut, is more like those Hostess cupcakes. Once again, a lovely treat. But all of these are lovely treats. But that's sort of what the marshmallow-filled donut sort of is reminiscent of for me. Still, life's not too bad when you're eating a donut. So yeah, I would highly endorse both of these donuts. My honest opinion, if I was to go back and get more donuts, probably would get the cake-filled donuts. They just, all together as a s'more and as a donut, I think they're a little bit better. I prefer those a little bit more. But hey, you can't go wrong with the cream-filled ones either. So, I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Milk.